So here's the 1 minute version of the easy way to store your tent. Now, the traditional way of storing a tent is basically you're going to fold it and roll it up. And the trick, of course, is getting it in small enough roll to get it in the box. And the secret there is you got to know how many times to fold it. This particular tent is folded in quarters. Notice I like to put the tent poles inside the roll, and that works out good. And if you use your knees and keep a little weight on it, it'll roll a lot tighter for you. That works with sleeping bags too. But this is the easy way to roll up a tent. Don't roll it at all. Just stuff it in a bag. I'm using a duffel bag there. Apparently this is how sailors store their sails. Give it a try. It's easy. And go camping.